Regular pivot tables work with one table. Power Pivot handles millions of rows across multiple related tables, like having a database engine inside Excel. Power Pivot's data model lets you define relationships between tables, just like a relational database. Instead of VLOOKUP to merge data, you create a relationship once and pivot across all tables. DAX, Data Analysis Expressions, adds calculated columns and measures that go beyond regular pivot table calculations. Time intelligence functions like year-over-year growth are built right in. Use regular pivot tables for single-table analysis under 1 million rows. Switch to Power Pivot when you need multiple tables, custom calculations, or datasets that exceed Excel's row limit. I build the same sales report using both approaches. First with a regular pivot table and VLOOKUPs, then with Power Pivot and relationships. The Power Pivot version is cleaner, faster, and more maintainable. Power Pivot is free and built into Excel. There's no reason not to learn it. Subscribe for a full DAX tutorial coming next week.